In today's video, I will show you how to use a TP-Link router as a Wi-Fi extender using a LAN Ethernet cable. This is one of the best ways to get a strong and stable connection in areas where your Wi-Fi signal is weak. Before we begin, I also want to remind you how important it is to stay safe online. A VPN protects your privacy, hides your activity, and makes your internet connection more secure. NordVPN is one of the best options available today. It is fast, simple to use, and trusted by millions of people. You will find the special NordVPN link in the description, and I will explain more about it at the end of the video. Now let's begin with the setup. First, make sure you have everything ready. You need your main router. You need your TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. You need an Ethernet cable, and you need a phone or a computer for the configuration. If your extender was used before, reset it to factory settings. Look for the reset button on the extender. Hold it for around 10 seconds until the lights blink. Wait for the extender to restart. Now plug the extender into a wall socket near your main router. Next, connect your phone or laptop to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. The default Wi-Fi name and password are printed on the sticker on the extender. After connecting, open your browser. In the address bar, type the default IP address of the extender. In most TP-Link models, this is 192.168.0.2154. Press Enter. When the login page appears, you may be asked to create a new admin password. Create a simple but secure one. After logging in, look for the mode options. Depending on your model, you should see Access Point Mode or Ethernet Backhaul Mode. Select this mode. This will allow the extender to use a wired connection instead of a wireless one. Now take your Ethernet cable. Plug one end into any LAN port of your main router. Plug the other end into the Ethernet port of your TP-Link extender. This cable will carry the internet signal directly from your router to the extender. Go back to the setup page. You can now set the Wi-Fi name and password for the extended network. You can use the same Wi-Fi name as your main router if you want both networks to appear as one. Or you can use a different name if you want to see exactly which network you are connected to. When you are done, click Save. The extender will reboot. After it restarts, your extended Wi-Fi network should appear on your device. Connect to it and test the signal. Because the extender is using an Ethernet cable, the connection should be strong and stable. You can run a speed test to confirm that everything is working well. This setup is perfect for improving Wi-Fi coverage in larger homes, offices, or rooms with weak signals. The wired extender will help you enjoy smooth streaming, fast downloads, and more reliable connections. While having a stable network is important, protecting your privacy online is equally important. Websites, apps, and even internet providers can track your activity. A VPN protects you from this. NordVPN gives you strong security, private browsing, and fast servers around the world. It is one of the best VPN services you can use today. If you're interested in trying out my personal favorite VPN that I've been using for over 5 years, check out NordVPN. I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.